And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Good morning and happy Friday to you. We finally made it to the end of the work week, and it looks like it's a chilly and a little bit of a damp start to the day. Let's look outside courtesy of Sky 5 in McAllen, looking at the corner of Jackson and Olana. You see the traffic starting to pick up a little bit out there at the intersection, but you also notice that if you could see it, there's kind of a glimmer out there on the roadway, and that's from some passing rain. So we do have a little bit of rain in the forecast, but it's also pretty chilly out there. Let's go back to the map here and I'll show you what the current temperatures are in McAllen. 66, it's 68 in Brownsville to 64 in Harlingen. And here in Weslaco, we're right at 62 degrees. We have a north to northeast wind out there at 10 miles per hour behind this cold front that moved in overnight and early this morning. Also, the dew points are a little bit lower than they were yesterday this time. We were in the mid to upper 60s. Now we're in the upper 50s. So we're back into that comfy category. But with chilly weather and that rain added to it, it does feel a little bit cooler than actual readings. So just keep that in mind. Jackets and umbrellas for today. 68 will be your daytime high under mainly cloudy skies, staying slightly below our average for this time of year. Definitely not beating that record of 91 that was set in 1936. Here is a look at the First Warn 5 satellite and radar at that cold front. It is now situated offshore from the valley. So behind it, that's where we have that north to northeast wind component. We also have a little bit of rain, and it started overnight into early this morning. You can see a little bit of the green specks from here from time to time, mainly falling about I-69C and going east, but that doesn't rule out everywhere west of that too. You may have got a little bit of light rain overnight and also maybe some light drizzle this morning. Drizzle doesn't show up as well as light rain does. You can see a little bit of light rain moving through just west of the Progreso Lakes area and also over in Cameron County. A little bit more scattered activity just from the island in Port Isabel going north, kind of streaming to the north. So you can expect the roadways to be wet there. And you also need to use your umbrella this morning versus as the day goes on. So looking at future track, off and on light rain showers through the day, maybe even a little bit of drizzle, but it's not going to be an all-day rain event. You see those mainly cloudy skies out there. That'll be, socked in, but for the most part, the rain, it stays off and on until overnight. That's whenever the pattern starts to pick up a little bit more. This is 4 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, and we'll keep a few showers for the mid to upper valley for the first half of the day. I can't rule out something along the coast too, and even throughout the afternoon, maybe a little bit of that rain gradually starting to clear out, and then by Sunday, we'll actually see a little bit more sunshine. So here we go, looking ahead into the weekend when the rain starts to pick up tonight going into tomorrow. So please have your umbrella with you and maybe our KRGV mobile app with you so you can track the weather while you're on the go. Patchy to thick fog could develop tomorrow night into early Saturday or Sunday morning, and it could be to advisory levels. We'll keep tracking that for you, and we're warming up next week before the next cool down. So a quick look at the next 3 days on your 7-day outlook. We're at 68 degrees today, followed by 58 tonight, 73 for tomorrow, and then partly sunny skies after we get through the fog Sunday morning. We'll have some sunshine in the afternoon to warm us up 10 degrees more, up to 83. We'll have the rest of your First Warn 5 7-day forecast coming up a little bit later.